Hello, I am Dr. Anu Singh. I am consultant gynecologist at SKD Hospital, Lucknow. I came here to Medicity to complete my fellowship and diploma in minimal access surgery and fellowship in hysteroscopy. See, basically, everywhere laparoscopic surgery is at par. I wanted to get skilled and trained enough in laparoscopic surgery. And I heard Medicity not from any verbal communication. I just searched on the internet about the best training institute in India, which give you hands-on and practical exposure both. And then I came to know about Medicity. And really my experience here was very good. See, basically laparoscopy is all about hand-eye coordination and doing proper surgeries. That too, you need to have a lot of patience in doing it. And basically during the entire training period, my hand-eye coordination has definitely improved, that I can feel by the end of the day of finishing of my course. The suturing practices which they train us, they give so much time and effort in teaching us the different methods of laparoscopic surgery, endo suturing, the extracorporeal suturing, and it was a really very good experience. And by the end, I can say I can definitely do a proper diagnostic plus operative laparoscopy and hysteroscopy. Staff here is really very nice. They make you feel at home here. The behavior, the environment and everything, it is so well coordinated and well organized that it is worth enough leaving your family behind for 14 days and coming here to learn something new. The lectures are nice, well explained and crisp and precise enough to take home the message conveyed through the lectures. The OT experience was really very nice. Alka ma'am is definitely a very nice person and a very good teacher. She gave us time and she taught us the methods in between. And she also told us about how can we do things differently in a different manner if we get stuck anywhere during lab surgery. The experience of wet lab was also very nice. The skill development officers here, they put a lot of efforts and they give a lot of time to you to explain you the things. So it was really good. See, whenever anybody tries to learn something new, there's a lot of dilemma and doubts in the mind of the person whether they'll get proper exposure, whether they'll get proper experience. But I can definitely assure you that Medicity is a very good training institute. You can definitely come here and learn, and you will go back home with a lot of confidence and a lot of technical skills acquired. Hello. I have just completed my fellowship and diploma in minimal access surgery from Medicity, and I would like to tell you that last week only, after the completion of my course, I did an independent total laparoscopic hysterectomy, and it was really very good. I was so confident in doing it. Whatever the knowledge here was given to me in lectures, during OT, during wet lab, and during my skill development sessions, that knowledge was completely 100% giving me the results, and I did the entire procedure on my own without any difficulty, and definitely recommend Medicity to everyone who wants to get a good skill in laparoscopy. Thank you.